Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a Level 1 security guard license in New Mexico, you must meet the following conditions: be at least 18, be authorized to work in the U.S., possess a valid government-issued photo ID, pass a criminal background check, submit 2 recent passport-style photographs. In New Mexico, security guard licenses are issued to individuals and are portable between employers. However, any change in employment must be reported to the New Mexico Regulation and Licensing Department. Step 2. Complete the required training. In New Mexico, Level 1 security guards must complete 8 hours of in-person instruction covering topics such as legal responsibilities, communication, and emergency procedures. Training must be completed through an RLD-approved provider. Online training is not accepted. Costs for training programs vary, but typically range from $100 to $300 depending on the provider. Step 3. Once training is complete, you'll receive a certificate of completion. Keep this document safe. You'll need it for your license application. In New Mexico, applicants are responsible for submitting their own documents, including proof of training. Step 4. Pass the New Mexico Security Guard exam. All applicants must achieve a passing score of at least 90% on the board-approved examination covering the Private Investigations Act and related administrative codes. The exam is administered by approved training providers as part of the training program. Step 5. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. Fingerprinting is conducted through IDEMIA's Identigo services. Schedule an appointment online. Bring a valid government-issued ID. The fee for fingerprinting is approximately $44. When registering with Identigo, you must use the ORI number NM920250Z. This process is required for both state and federal background checks. Step 6. Submit your license application through the New Mexico Regulation and Licensing Department's online portal. You'll apply online and are responsible for submitting the application yourself. Required documents include completed application form, proof of training completion, exam results, government-issued ID, 2 passport-style photographs, fingerprint submission confirmation. The application fee is $50 and all fees are non-refundable. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed in New Mexico. Training is from $100 to $300. Fingerprinting is $44. The application fee is $50. The total cost is approximately $194 on the low end to $394 on the high end. For perspective, the median income for unarmed security guards in New Mexico is approximately $38,646 per year or $18.58 per hour, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Step 8. Once approved, your license will be mailed to you. You can check the status of your license via the license lookup option from the home page. You must carry this license while on duty. You must complete all relevant steps and wait for the permanent registration approval before you can be assigned to a guard post. Step 9. Renew your license every 2 years. Renewal opens 30 days before expiration. The cost is $50. You must complete 4 hours of continuing education during each renewal period. Employers sometimes handle renewal, but you're usually responsible for it. Step 10. Now that you're licensed, you can start applying for jobs. Use sites like Indeed. Check r/guard guides for job leads and licensing discussions. Check out my Etsy and Beacons pages and consider becoming a channel member for perks like member shoutouts, emojis, and early access to videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.